Hey, Ken here with EXP, and today's video we're going to talk about the 5 things that you can do to increase your home's value without breaking the bank. Hey there, it's Ken Verlick, Home Partners Group, EXP Realty. I am a realtor in the Lehigh Valley. I service Lehigh, Northampton, and Southern Carbon County. So if you have any real estate questions or needs in those areas, feel free to shoot me a text, give me a call. Love to help you out. If this is your first time here, make sure that you go down below, hit the button, subscribe, and click the little dingy bell so you get notified when new content comes out. We post a new video every Thursday. This is valuable content for you to help you with buying and selling a house. So today, the top 5 things that you can do to increase your home's value without breaking the bank. Number 1, curb appeal. You hear this all the time, very important. And this does not have to break the bank. You do not have to buy all new shrubs, but mow the grass in the wintertime, make sure that your walks are shoveled. But here's the really critical part, front door. Most people miss this. The front door is so much a first impression because what's happening there? Your buyers are on your porch and the agent is fumbling around with the lockbox, and what are the buyers doing? They're looking around right here. Spend some time cleaning up, touching up the paint if necessary, putting some seasonal plants, mums in the fall, geraniums in the spring. Put some, if you have room for a little chair and table set, spruce that up. Spend some time making the front door really special. That's the first impression. Number 2, number 4, smart home products. This is actually really important. It's becoming more and more important with the millennials coming into the buying market now. But Nest thermostat, right? Ring doorbell. These are all items that are very affordable for $100 or $200. You can really add some value to your house. That Ring doorbell goes a long way. To number 5, there's not any special order, curb appeal, right? You know, I got a Ring doorbell there, and the front door is all pretty. Curb appeal is great. They see a Nest thermostat. They see an up-to-date house. Make sense? Number 3, pack up your stuff. It's time to go. You're selling your house. Get your stuff in boxes, pack it up. What this does, you can store it in the garage. You don't have to get it out of there, put it in a storage unit or anything like that. You can store it in the garage. You can store it in the basement. You know, having boxes packed up in the garage is common when someone's looking at a house. What this does, number 1, takes the stress off of you because you're moving. We're selling your house, you're moving, right? And also frees up some space in the rooms, makes the rooms bigger. And you hear me talk about this all the time. It also helps your buyers feel like they're in their new house, not visiting yours. Very important. You know, declutter, but start packing your stuff up. Get your stuff out of there. Furniture that's you're not going to take with you, donate it, sell it, whatever you're going to do. Free up some space. Your house will look bigger, and your buyers will be able to envision themselves in their new house. Okay. Number 2, kitchen and bath. We know this is an important area, right? Knobs and fixtures. Really affordable, does worlds to value. I'm telling you right now, just re-knobbing a kitchen, just doing the knobs on the doors and the drawers, the pulls, new fixtures, new faucets in the bathroom. This is often overlooked. Medicine cabinet. Most households, very well used area. The door can start to show some signs of wear. It's just, like in my house, I keep everything. I keep my toothpaste, my shaving cream, everything in the medicine cabinet, and that medicine cabinet is got signs of wear. It's still good. It works great for me. But if I was selling my house, I would want to replace that. It's a very affordable item, but it's going to catch their eye that, wow. Number 1, we're cleaning the mirrors. We talked about that in another video, cleaning mirrors, cleaning windows. So it's like you got good appeal. But changing faucets, very affordable. Changing pulls in the bathroom, very affordable. shower door, new shower curtain. Make your bathroom new without doing the expensive stuff. You don't have to do a new sink, new toilet, new tub, everything like that. And you don't necessarily have to do new shower fixtures, but sink faucet, kitchen faucet, a couple $100. And a brand new faucet goes a long way. So knobs and fixtures in the kitchen and the bathroom go a long way to adding value to your house on a budget. And the number one way to add value to your house on a budget, you've heard me say it before, paint. It's cheap. It's easy. You can do it. I'm telling you right now. I always let my kids paint their rooms whatever color they wanted. They could dye their hair whatever color they wanted. I allowed my children to express themselves. Okay? But just because you're okay with it and you like the canary yellow room with the blue dots doesn't mean that your buyer will. A couple gallons of painting that a neutral color is a really good way to add value. In the buyer's eyes, they look at it sometimes as going at a project they don't really want to do. And believe it or not, sometimes that does a roadblock in the subconscious mind of the buyer. They don't even know it. Okay? So paint your rooms. Take the pictures down, paint the wall, so you don't have the marks on the wall from the pictures being hanging there. Alright, so let's recap really good. Curb appeal, smart home devices, pack up your stuff, knobs and fixtures, paint the walls. 5 ways that you can improve your home's value on a budget. I hope you got value from this. If you did, please leave a comment down there. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and hey, share it with a friend. Share it with somebody that might need this information. I'm Ken Verlick, eXp Realty, Home Partners Group. We're opening doors for you.